So what's up guys, welcome back to Technique Special. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to recover your save files after updating your Marvel Spider-Man 2. So especially when you've used the Lamigos update. So first of all, I'm going to the things you need to get. First of all, you need to update your game. Okay, let me say you just want to update the game. So what you're going to do here is go to your documents. Okay, go to your documents. Here you will have your files here. So just make sure to copy it and make a backup of that. As you can see, I already made a backup of my folder. So immediately you've made the backup, what you need to do next is to delete everything you find here because it's no longer going to be useful keeping it there. So what you're going to do next is go to my PC, go to this PC, go to your install folder. What we are going to do is that we are going to redo everything, which I have already done, but I'm just kind of giving you guys a kind of tutorial on how to do it. Okay, go to your Marvel Spider-Man folder, you install the Marvel Spider-Man and install it again. Then after that, what you need to do is very simple. After you've fully installed and installed, make sure you deleted the save file as well. So what you're going to do is to update your game. So this is what I did. So these are my update files. So I have updated it one by one. So you're going to do 1.131 to 1.202, 1.2. Just do it one after the other. So after you're done with that, what you're going to do next is this is what I did, but I don't think it's necessary. But I just don't want to leave it out. So you go to your Marvel Spider-Man. You unlock PSM bonus. So just tap on it, install it, run it as administrator. So after that, you're done. So what you're going to do next is actually play the game. Okay, play the game and just get the save file, and you kind of have a constructive pattern on how to import your folder. So first of all, if we go to our Marvel's backup, we can see a series of files, but we don't really need all those files. So I'm going to show you guys what we actually need. So first of all, you have to allow the game to create a folder. So you're kind of tricking the game. So this is what we're going to do right now. So with that being said, let's move on. So we're going to open up the game and make sure we launch the game. And we're not going to play it for too long. We're just going to play the introduction just for it to, create the file for us. So we're going to do that real quick. It shouldn't take too much time anyway. So, okay, it's about to start. Then at the menu, we just tap limited, that's it. So I'm gonna just set up my game, just launched a new game. And here you're gonna say, would you like to see it? Just tap no, because I don't really need to see that. So we just wanted to create a file. So just let it do its thing.
We're ready. Are you good?
Promise me something.
Anything.
If this doesn't work, take me out.
It'll work.
I don't have a lot of time left. I want a chance to say goodbye.
I'm not going to lose you. I will never let you go.
So we're gonna skip that. We just want to play the initials. All right, we are almost there. So we just tap pause and then kind of save our initial.
Marco, why today?
So we just keep this cinematic. So I think we are done. So we're just gonna go to quit to main menu and make sure we can find the, let me show you. We can find the continue option. So immediately you can see the continue option. That means we are done. So what we're gonna need to do is to go back to documents. Okay, just go to documents. Just want to do this properly. And then we go to Marvel Spider-Man 2. This is what we actually need. We needed to create a folder and then create a file. So here we can choose here, we can check the last file here, which you can check all these files. They are pretty much empty, not much information there. So but when we use this one, I think it's most preferable. So we're just going to delete everything here, and then we copy here, and then we paste our backup. And then when we arrive here, we can also copy this Marvel Spider-Man 2 and paste it here just to replace the file we already have there. So that's it. Like practically we done. So we can just go launch back up. So this is how to actually properly update your game, then kind of actually bring back your save files. It took me some time to figure it out, but I think the fix was actually very easy and straightforward. Yeah, that's it. We fixed the game, so now we can continue from where we left.
Gotta get to City Hall and help Miles.
That's it. See? So that's all. So what I said earlier was very simple on how to make this thing work. First of all, let me recap. Download your update files, okay, because you wanted to update it, right? And then kind of back up your files, which you already have in the Marvel Spider-Man 2 on your documents folder. Back it up, save it somewhere else, which we will actually use later. Then next thing is to uninstall the Marvel Spider-Man and install it back on. And after that, what we need to do is actually unlock PSN and update the files, update the game files. Once you've done that, next thing you have to do is to play the game, and that game will actually create a unique kind of file folder where you need to put your files. So, but if I just automatically like dump these things in here, it won't work because the game won't recognize it. It doesn't have the code. It doesn't have the code it can recognize it. I think that's just what happens. I don't know. I'm not too technical, but I think that's just what happened. And then we replace the Marvel Spider-Man to text file, text document here, and then we'll launch the game. It works. So probably this is how I got it fixed. Just kind of figured it out. So that will be all for now. So if you did find this video pretty much helpful, make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to this awesome channel for I'll be coming up with more awesome videos like this one. And if you did find this video pretty much helpful, stay tuned for the next one. I will see you guys there. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, share with your family and friends. Do have a great day. Zon is signing out. Cheers.